Okay, boys and girls, you know that we have been practicing how to do multi-digit multiplication, which means we've been practicing really hard 2 different strategies to multiply big numbers. So we've been using place value sections. And what is the place value sections method? Who can tell me what that method is? Jaden?
It's also the box method.
So it's also known as like our box method. So what do you do in that method, Jaden? Do you remember?
You would expand the number into different, and you would divide the box up, and you would expand it, and you would do that number times a different number, and you would add up your answer.
So step 1 is definitely to use expanded form. So we learned that in Unit 1. Thurston, I need you listening, please. Okay? You learned how to expand numbers. So if we had the number, let's do a couple examples real quick. If we had the number, let's get our screen focused. 234. Who can expand the number 234 for me? Lucas, can you expand it for me?
200 plus 30 plus 4.
200 plus 30 plus 4. Fantastic, Lucas. 200 plus 30 plus 4. And who can remind me, what do I need to remember to do at each of those plus signs? What did I do at the plus signs, Kaylin?
Draw a line.
Draw a line, absolutely, to section off our boxes. Devin, I need you listening, please. Okay? Now, what if I give you the multiplication problem? Who can throw out a number for me? Katarina, give me a number. 1-digit number. 1 digit. 0, 3, 9. Fantastic. 9 times 234. Where does the number 9 go in the place value sections method? Nathaniel?
To the left side.
Goes on the left side of the box. Could I put it on the right side, Nathaniel? Could I put it over there?
No. Yeah.
I couldn't?
Yes.
I can, but do I need to?
No.
I don't need to, okay? If it makes it more clear for me to do that, then do that. And I could also expand 234 down here too to help keep things straight. You don't have to do that though. Don't worry about that part. Only if you want to. It's a little bit more writing to do. Okay? All right. What is step 2? Since we expanded our numbers, what would be step 2? Celeste.
To times 9 and 200.
9 and 200. Celeste, what is 9 times 200?
1,800.
1,800. Ooh, I like how you said that nice and loud too. Thank you. So we did 9 times 2 and we got 18, and we had to remember to add how many zeros, Celeste?
2.
2. Did she do it right?
Yeah.
Check. Ooh, give yourself a pat on the back. What about this box, Thurston? What goes on in that box?
270.
Can you explain what you're doing though for me?
9 times 30 is 270.
Okay, 9 times 30 equals 270. So we did 9 times 3 and got 27. And then we added our 1 0. What about our very last box? Devin, what happens in our last box?
9 times 4.
9 times 4. What is 9 times 4, Devin?
36.
Very good. Good job, guys. I'm proud of you. All right, so we figured out our partial products. That's part of the product. What's a product again? Lainey?
And answer your
Look, let her think.
factors.
Not factors. It's the answer to what kind of a problem? To an addition problem. It's the answer to a multiplication problem. Good job. Can I have you on your bottom, please, so she can see behind you? Thurston, I'm going to go ask that you clip down because you have been very disruptive during this lesson. Thank you. Part of our product. So what do we have to do to get the actual answer, or the actual product, to 9 times 234? Katie?
You add 1,800, 270, and 30 cents.
And I have to be so very careful and make sure I do what with my numbers? What do I need to remember to do? Maxwell? Add them, but in order to add them correctly, I need to do what? Line them up. Very good. So as I line up my numbers, my ones with my ones, my tens with my tens, and my hundreds with my hundreds, now I can add. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is? Oh, I'm so sorry. Thank you very much for correcting me. Jaden, you will get a point on Dojo for that. Thank you for helping me out. What is 7 plus 3? Celeste. 10. Drop the 0, carry the 1. I'm looking for my groups of 10 so I can add quickly. So if I were to solve this, I'd do 8 and 2 plus 1. So 8 plus 2 is? Plus 1? Fantastic. Drop the 1, carry the 1. 1 and 1 is?
2.
Great. You guys seem to have mastered this method. What about shortcut method? What's the difference between the shortcut method, and place value sections? Kyle?
The shortcut method gets it done faster.
Yeah, it gets it done so much faster, right?
You don't have to show this much work.
Yeah, you don't show as much work and it's a little bit faster. But what do you have to remember to do with the shortcut method? Because there's a lot of steps there. Lucas, what's one thing you cannot forget to do?
Add the
The
part
part that you've carried. Okay, so you can't forget to add what you've carried. Absolutely. What else do you have to remember with that method? Lainey, your hand shot right up.
You can't forget to add a 0.
Can't forget to drop your 0. Okay, I want everyone to put their hands in front of them. We're going to do our up and over and over and up. Ready? I want to see everyone's hands up, please. We'll wait till I have all my friends' hands up. Nathan, thank you. Here we go. Up and over and over and up. Do it one more time. Ready?